appointment though? Pásala.
This is you right here, bro? The what?
I'm not thinking about making a video, pero sí te la voy a.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to I.detail here. August what? What's today?
26.
26?
26.
Ayer que tuvimos, bro. Ayer que tuvimos aquí.
Tengo de raza tacos y micheladas chingonas at $10, you know.
Bucks?
Oh man, that was so tasty though.
Yeah, they were.
Pues one time ahorita I need
It's gonna be the new detailing bay. Start bringing in cars and trucks. I'm gonna clean out all that. Have the pressure washer against the wall. I gotta clean the pressure washer. There's a leak in the roof that I had fixed, so I gotta call that roofing company. Mess up my light. Paint the wall. I think I'm gonna paint the wall black. Let's go with black. Paint the wall black. So I'm gonna paint the wall black. Start making use of this space. Make more videos on YouTube with washing the cars, doing ceramic coatings. Even to the point where I kind of do want to expand and buy some more shelving units and bring in more products, more different vendors. Maybe sell heavy equipment, pressure washers. So we've kind of been cleaning up in the inside, changing a couple things inside, changing the way. Been having the same layout for a couple years, but this is Pablo. He's my brother-in-law. He's been helping me out since I kind of started, right, 2015, and he's just been kind of.
Start from El Ridge, La Pulga.
Yeah, we were.
First day we were late y se nos cayó todo el pinche diablito.
Remember that shit? Oh, somebody calling me.
Start from the bottom. We're still at the bottom though, but we're trying to push through, you know.
I.detail.
We're kicking it. Don't give up, you know.
A ver, let me look at it.
Make it.
Okay.
Push it, man. You're gonna win you're gonna lose 1,000 times before you win once.
Yeah, you are. So this lady hit me up for a car wash. She has a Kia Optima. And, you know, I usually don't take car washes, but my brother-in-law has been helping me out, so trying to put some money in his pockets. So I said yes. So let's do this car wash. She wanted a quick in and out. Those are gonna be your sunglasses? I don't think she's coming.
Oh well. This is the action right here though.
Yeah. No, it's because of the manhole. It's open. Remember?
So what are you gonna do?
I think we're gonna
So let's take over the road.
I'm gonna put you in the corner way right there, poniendo car wash.
Let's take the road.
Take over the world.
How I say that pinky?
Look at that Ford. Nice.
Oh, ¿me vas a prestar la máquina?
Which one?
Para quitarle, porque no me lo voy a acabar con el vecino.
Which one?
You told him yesterday, man. The 3-inch or like that. Just take the.
Yeah. Take the 5-inch polisher. What are you gonna knock out again?
I said like, man, I need to do something.
Oh, mira. We forgot to take this off.
Hey, I'm gonna make a video y te lo mando para que lo pongas.
What kind of video?
Like a Facebook video.
What is your name again?
Eh?
What's the name of your
I
Facebook?
don't even know my name.
Nah, you
Who am I?
Kaikas?
Nah. Hey, that's for my people. That's not for everybody.
No, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Everybody follow my boy.
That's my narco name.
You know, we look at these cars and trucks, and sometimes they're like, "Come over here, come over here." Give them ojo, bro. Come over here.
Throw some huevos or what?
Bring them in here. Yeah.
Again, Ida?
Oh, hell yeah. So what did the customer say?
Say they're happy. They're like, they're going to come back. They're going to bring us more work.
But he said, how much for that truck? And we gave him a price, right?
Yeah, we're hurting. Everybody hurting. Barrel just happened, dog. Come on.
Barrel did just happen.
Barrel just hit us. I'm Pablo, but Barrel knocked the shit out of him.
Said he's picking up his aunt coming from LA.
It could come for 3 days, but...
So basically what he said that he was like, how much do you charge for the truck? And I gave him a price, and then he was like, all right, if I bring my Phantom Rolls Royce, is it gonna be the same price? And I'm like, yes. And he's all like, cool. So I guess because other people charge him more because it's a Bentley, but it's a car. Our treat is still good, but it's a car. Still the same prices. Probably as big as that truck. And it's good social media. Make videos off of it. Hey, I stole this sign from Detail Garage. Snatched it. This is one of my first signs when I was selling chemical guys. You know, if you guys don't know, I started selling chemical guys. That's the company I started with back in 2015. I also have now the MJJC foam cannons. Actually one left, so I got to make another order. Got a couple of the MTMs with the soft trigger spray gun, some ceramics. Got more shipment of ceramics coming in. Started selling these paint caliper kits. Yellow, black, silver, red, blue. Go on Amazon, it's almost the same price, if not cheaper. If I'm not mistaken, these were like $54.99. If you go on Amazon, these are more. Mine are cheaper. Got some brushes here. $20. Some clay bars, heavy duty, medium. These are 200 gram. Employees only.
Oh, damn. You know what? Pero yo soy Don Vergas.
Don Vergas.
Me la pelan.
So no se hizo. No vino la señora. But you have a job. I'm not letting them borrow. What's wrong with his paint again?
The clear lights.
Oh, there was the
I'm
lights.
gonna hit it with the blue pen and the thousands.
And you're gonna make a video on Facebook?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it on Facebook.
Let's do it.